Imagine a realm, a place far too small for our eyes to see, smaller than a human hair, thousands of times smaller. This is the nanoscale. Here, rules change. Matter behaves differently. And medicine? It transforms. It becomes nanomedicine. This is not science fiction. It is happening right now. Laboratories across our planet are exploring this tiny universe. They are building new tools to fight disease, tools to repair our bodies from the inside out. A revolution whispers, a revolution in healing. Consider the scale. A nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter. Your fingernail grows about 1 nanometer every single second. It is at this scale that life's machinery operates. DNA, proteins, viruses, all exist in this domain. So we venture into this realm not as passive observers but as active engineers. We are learning to craft materials and devices at this fundamental level to interact with biology with unprecedented precision. The potential is staggering. A new medical frontier awaits. What then is nanomedicine? It is a bold meeting, a meeting of disciplines. Nanotechnology meets medicine, science meets engineering, biology meets physics, all converging on health. To prevent, diagnose, and treat disease at its very roots, at the molecular level, its importance cannot be overstated. Traditional medicine often struggles with broad, systemic effects. Think of chemotherapy. It attacks cancer cells but also healthy cells. Nanomedicine offers specificity, like a guided missile, targeting only the problem, minimizing collateral damage. This precision is key. It comes from understanding and manipulating materials at the nanometer scale. Here, materials gain new properties. Gold, usually inert, can become a catalyst. Quantum effects emerge. We harness these properties for our medical benefit. The goal is profound: to make medicine more effective, safer for the patient, and more personalized. Imagine treatments tailored to your unique biology, your unique illness. This is the promise, the grand vision that nanomedicine offers humanity. To work at this scale, scientists need special tools. Tiny engineered structures. These are the nanoparticles. Let us meet some. First, liposomes. Small, hollow spheres made of fatty molecules, like tiny delivery vans carrying drugs inside. These liposomes are clever. They can protect drugs from degrading in the body. They can release their cargo slowly, over time, or at specific sites like a tumor's doorstep. This improves drug delivery, making treatments more potent and less toxic overall. Then there are dendrimers. These are tree-like molecules with many branches. Their structure is precise, highly controlled, man-made. Each branch can hold a drug molecule or a diagnostic agent or a targeting signal. They are versatile workers, and we have quantum dots. These are tiny semiconductor crystals only a few nanometers across. When light shines on them, they glow brightly. Different sizes glow in different, vibrant colors. This makes them excellent for medical imaging, lighting up disease within. Cancer, a formidable adversary. It arises from our own cells, mutated, growing uncontrollably. Traditional treatments fight hard surgery, radiation, chemotherapy, but they can be harsh. Nanomedicine offers new hope, a more focused attack, a smarter way to fight this devastating collection of diseases. Nanoparticles can be designed to seek out cancer cells. They can carry potent drugs directly to the tumor. Imagine tiny smart bombs, ignoring healthy tissue, exploding only on target. This is called targeted delivery. It reduces side effects, increases drug concentration. One strategy uses heat. Certain nanoparticles, like gold, can absorb light energy and convert it into heat. If these are delivered to a tumor site and then illuminated, they heat up locally, essentially cooking the cancer. A technique called photothermal therapy. Another approach enhances diagnosis. Quantum dots, for example, can make tumors glow under special lighting, helping surgeons see the exact extent of cancer to remove it more completely. Early detection is crucial. Nanotechnology provides tools for finding cancer sooner. Section 5. Beyond the tumor, a spectrum of nanomedical marvels. While cancer is a major focus, nanomedicine's reach is far wider. Its potential touches many areas of human health and disease. Consider regenerative medicine, the quest to repair or replace damaged tissues and even organs. Nanomaterials play a vital role as scaffolds for new growth. These scaffolds are intricate, designed at the nanoscale to mimic the body's own extracellular matrix. They guide cells to grow, to form new tissue, bone, cartilage, even nerves. Nanofibers can provide structure, and nanoparticles can deliver growth factors, encouraging regeneration from within. Diagnostics also benefit immensely. Nanosensors are being developed to detect disease markers at incredibly low concentrations. Imagine a simple breath test, or a tiny skin patch, that could signal early signs of infection or disease long before symptoms appear. This is proactive healthcare. Nanoparticulates are also improving vaccines. They can help to stimulate a stronger immune response, making vaccines more effective. They can also allow for new types of vaccines against challenging pathogens. The applications are diverse, from fighting infections to managing chronic conditions. Section 6. Microscopic Voyagers, the Dawn of Nanobots. Now let us journey further into a truly futuristic realm, the world of nanobots. These are not just particles, they are tiny machines, molecular-scale robots designed to perform tasks inside the human body. It sounds like pure fantasy, but research is paving the way. What could these nanobots do? The possibilities are astounding. They could patrol our bloodstream like microscopic sentinels, searching for early signs of disease, like cancer cells or dangerous plaques in arteries. They could report their findings or even take direct action against these molecular threats. Imagine a nanobot surgeon capable of repairing cells one by one, or delivering drugs with pinpoint accuracy to a single disease cell, avoiding all healthy neighbors. They could clear blockages in tiny blood vessels or destroy invading bacteria. Of course, this is complex. Building such machines is hard. Powering them is a challenge. Controlling them is crucial. Ensuring they are safe is paramount to their use. We are still in early days, but the fundamental science is being actively explored. The first steps are being taken. Section 7. The Hurdles Ahead. Navigating Nanomedicine's Challenges. This journey into the nanoverse is not without its obstacles. Great promise brings great questions and serious challenges. Safety is a primary concern. How do these nanoparticles interact with our bodies over the long term? Could they accumulate? Could they cause harm? We need rigorous testing to understand potential toxicity. The very properties that make nanomaterials unique and useful, their small size, high reactivity, could also pose risks. We must study their fate once inside the living system. Where do they go? How are they cleared? Regulation is another hurdle. How do we oversee these novel medical products? Existing frameworks may need adaptation or new approaches to ensure both safety and timely innovation. It is a delicate balance, protecting public health while fostering scientific progress. And then there is cost. Developing these advanced therapies is expensive, requiring research. Specialized manufacturing is needed. Will nanomedicines be accessible to all who need them, or only a privileged few? We must consider equity as we push the boundaries of what medicine can achieve. Section 8. A future forged in nanoscale, the next medical revolution. Despite the challenges, the future of nanomedicine shines incredibly bright. We stand at the cusp of a medical revolution, one driven by our ability to understand and engineer matter at its smallest scales. The journey has just begun. The cosmos within us unfolds. Imagine a not-too-distant future where diseases like cancer are managed, perhaps cured, with therapies that are both highly effective and remarkably gentle. Where damaged tissues regenerate, where diagnostics are instant and deeply insightful. This is the world nanomedicine envisions. The convergence of knowledge from physics, chemistry, biology, and engineering continues. It powers this exploration. Each discovery, each innovation brings us closer to realizing the full, awesome potential of healing at the nanoscale. Our understanding deepens, and our tools become more refined. The universe is vast, from the largest galaxies to the smallest particles, and within our own bodies lies another universe, ripe for exploration. Nanomedicine gives us the keys to unlock its secrets, to improve human health, and extend human life. The future is small, infinitesimally small.